She no like it, got on naughty, but she go chop if you give her cucumber. Walk up from trans and
Hey, my boy, how you been?
I dey fine,
Hey.
but I they do Christmas for me now.
Christmas. No, see Christmas. I'll do Christmas for you this year. I'll do it for you. No, Allah, yeah.
What they give me now?
I will do it for you. Come tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, just come tomorrow. I'll do Christmas for you.
Top.
Hey, boy, have fun.
Remember I said it's my come today.
Wait, I thought me come today.
Hey man.
Hey, I don't even know. Where shall I go? I will do Christmas for you. Just no, I will do Christmas for you. Just come tomorrow. Yeah, just come tomorrow. I will do Christmas.
wanna thank God for life.
Why this guy? Which one will say might be my phone? Oh God. And if I give where shall person will come and give Christmas. Hey, my boy.
I still see you today.
Okay, is it that this thing? I know all I'm, but you know what's happening. If you come out now, I'll give you. Just carry this my phone. You know that game made it down that place.
Okay, that boy dey there.
That you don't want to make it beside that place. Give the auntie the phone. Tell her say make you give her. Make go fast. Give me the phone sharp.
How many
And I
times
give
did they
that.
tell
Give the
you
phone sharp.
before you know that
Yeah, I'll do
Nigeria is
Christmas.
not?
Someone they beg this brother since we do Christmas for me. What go give you babe phone? Babe pay repair phone.
What do we have this?
No man go sell. I would do na 5 naira come out. Afa, boss.
My guy.
I dey be now. Don't want phone about sell for you.
Nah, I like this. Now see, guy, how much? This phone better.
Any money you borrow, you have to use.
Naira, no.
I would do na 10 naira. I dey collect 10 naira.
I hear me.